students. This is Bhargava. Welcome to the Math Time. So in this video, we'll be looking at some super tricks which were very useful for you. So the concept which we are covering today is nothing but squaring of numbers. So if I ask, does finding the square of a number is easy? I'll be getting a different kinds of answers as it is easy, difficult, moderate in such a manner. So if I ask any square number from 1 to 20, almost all the students feels that it is easy and you will be answering. If I ask more than 20, like what is the square of 35 square, what is the value of 42 square? So some students feel difficult and some students feel okay, we can do it and solve it. But do you know that we can find the square of any two-digit number in less than a minute? So I'll be teaching two tricks over here, how to find it over there. And let's see. Okay? So before going into things, so what is the things you have to know? It's multiplication of digits. I'm not saying multiplication of numbers. I'm saying multiplication of digits. Max it will be 9 9s are 81. And you have to know simple addition. If you know these two concepts, you can square any number, any two-digit number. Okay, in the next video, we'll be covering squaring of any three-digit number. But in this video, we'll be only discussing of squaring of any two-digit number itself. So, trick 1. Squaring any number with unit digit 5. Okay, so if unit digit is 5, we are having a special trick over here. So what is that means? 15 square. In units place we are having 5 and in tens place we are having 1. What is the value of 5 square? It is nothing but 25. And so next what we have to do here is, what is the next number after 1? After the next number of the 1 will be 2. We have to multiply these two numbers. We have to find the product of these two numbers. 2 into 1 is 2. So I'll be writing it in the hundreds place. Yes, 15 square value is 225 and we got the value as 225. Okay, for your understanding, I'll take one more example and let's have a clarity on that. Now they are asking 65 square. So unit place I'm having 5. So last two digits of our answer will be 25. It's clear cut. And in tens place I'm having 6. What is the next number? We can say what is the successor of 6? It is 7. Multiply 7 into 6. 7 6 are how much we'll be getting? We'll be getting 42. So the answer is 42. That's it. It's quite simple. Now, 85 square means what is the unit digit of 5 here? 5 square will be 25. Last two digits of our answer will be 25 as we discussed before. What is the successor of 8? It is 9. 9 times 8, 9 8 is just 72. So the answer is 7225. So right now in few students' minds there is a doubt running. Whether is it only for two-digit number or can I do it for three-digit number also? Yes, you can do it for this three-digit number also. Before going into that, you just say the answers for these questions and it's your working time questions. You can pause the video and you can take a screenshot and you can solve the answers. Yes, if it is a three-digit number, what to do, how to approach it? It's very simple. It will be 5 square will be 25 and the successor of 10 will be how much? 11. 11 tens are 110. The answer is 11025. It's quite simple in such a manner. So you try for 125 square and cross check the answer. You will be getting it correct. Well, I hope if the unit digit is 5, finding the square of a number, I hope it's pretty simple right now. What will they ask 135 square or 195 square? You can do it very simple. And now let's go to trick number 2. Okay, sir. If it is a number other than Unit is 5 square. So what we have to do here? It's very simple here. So we'll be writing 34 square. Okay. So here we have to do, what is the square of 4? It is 16. What is the square of 3? It's 909. We have to leave the first digit and the last digit of 0916. And next what we have to do here is multiply the given digits. 3 fours are how much we'll get? We'll get it as 12. Double this number. Double of 12 means how much we'll get? We'll get it as 24. So add this 24 in such a manner. You should not write that number in the first place and the last place. These two places should be empty. And you do normal addition, and you have to do normal addition over here. What will be getting here? 6, 4 plus 1, 5, 9 plus 2, 11, 1156. So the 34 square value will be 1156. Now let's check with any other number. So 2 square will be how much? 4. You write it as 04. Always write the answer in a 2-digit number. And 8 square will be 64. And in the next step, what you have to do, this is step number 1. I have written the square of the digits individually. 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64. That's it. And next what I have to do here, I'll be writing it in such a manner. 2 8s are 16. 16 times 2, that is equal to 32. That 32 I'll be writing it here. This is step 2. What is step 2? Multiply the given digits and the product you have to multiply with again 2. So now what I'll be getting here? 4. 6 plus 2 8. 4 plus 3 7. 28 square is 784. That's it. So if you want, you can cross check with well known number. I hope everybody knows 16 square. 16 square value is how much more? We know it as 256. Now let's check the same logic with 16 square. So 1 square value is how much? 01. And 6 square value is how much? 36. 1 into 6 will be 6. 6 times 2 will be 12. I am doubling the product of the digits. I am writing 12 here and adding 6. 3 2s are 5. 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 256. Our answer is correct. In the same manner, 46 square. How will be approaching this 46 square? The square of 4 will be how much, my dear students? It is 6. And 6 square will be nothing but 36. Now find the product of 4 and 6. You will get 24 and double the product. 24 into 2. It is nothing but 48. So I'll be writing 48 here. 6. 8 plus 3 11. 6 plus 4 plus 1 11. And it will be 2. 2116. 46 square will be nothing but 2116. So if you are habituated, we can do this one in less than a minute of time. And let's go with 78 square, which is a bigger number. But don't worry, my dear students, it is very simple. 7 square will be 49, 8 square will be 64, 7 8s are 56. Yes, this is the reason why I am asking you to leave the first digit. If you double 56, how much you will get? You will get it as 112. Am I correct? 56 square is double of 56 is 112. Now you have to write 112 in such a manner. That is the reason why I asked you to leave first place empty. So I'll be writing 4, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 1 10, 4 plus 2 6. 78 square is 6084. Than traditional multiplication, if you are approaching in this method, you will be saving a lot of time in competitive examinations or in NTSA examination. This method will be helping you a lot. So my dear students, you can pause the video and you can take the screenshot and you can solve these problems over there. So math fact. So there is a, some people will be calling mathematics, some people will be calling maths, and some people will be calling it as math. So which one we have to pronounce? What is the correct? So the reason means Americans will call math. Why? Because they will be calling mathematics. The actual name of the subject is mathematics. Its function is a singular noun. Mathematics is a singular noun. So they want this word, the max is a shortcut of mathematics. They want this word to be also singular. If they use max, they are considering it as a plural. So they want it to be singular. Why? Because mathematics is singular and they want math also to be singular. That is why they will be calling it as math. And that is today's video, my dear students, and we'll meet in the next video. Thanks a lot.